Angry guy. That just said angry right there all over it. Angry guy. Pointed angry and everything. He said, next, me, shoes, clean.
I created like a YouTube character who's just angry all the time. It's Cyber Monday and we're going crazy at the Reshoevn8er.com warehouse.
What's going on, Reshoevn Nation? Have you ever seen a pair of Nike Reacts this dirty? Well, me either, but no need to fear, because Johnny Bubbles is here with Reshoevn8er's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8er.com. So guys, as you can see, these are looking super beat. I'm not sure, honestly, what happened with these. I know we've been having a lot of rain lately, and someone must have got these dirty. But enough about the dirty shoes. Let's get into it. All right, guys, for this video, we are only going to be cleaning the right shoe today. So I'm going to put the left one to the side. The first step is to grab our adjustable shoe trees. These are a size 11, so I think I'm going to take that up to the third hole there. Insert it into the shoe. Yep, looks good. Now remove the laces. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed, the next step I'm gonna do is we're gonna actually go outside, take off a lot of this like excess dirt so we're not getting it all muddy over here. So let's go. All right, guys, so it's starting to sprinkle a little bit, so I'm trying to make this quick. Now, the main reason why we wanna do this is because you don't wanna mix in any of that dirt or extra mud into your solution. It's just gonna get messier, guys, and you don't wanna do it. So try to get as much as you can off. We gotta smack it against the wall. A lot in the inside. What I'm also gonna do, guys, is take an all-purpose brush dry. Just go ahead and try to get as much dirt off as possible. All right, I don't see any more chunks, guys. Oh, maybe this toe right here. Cool, looks good. Let's go inside. All right, guys, we are back inside. As you can see, I went ahead and got most of that heavy dirt that was like in between these grooves off. But now this towel is looking super dirty, so I need a new one. Lee, can I get another towel? All right, go ahead and move this over. Cool. Now that we got the new towel, guys, we can go ahead and begin. Now what you're gonna wanna do is grab your bottle of solution. Just pour a few small squirts into your bowl of water and begin cleaning the uppers using our soft bristle brush. All right, guys, the reason why I'm starting with the soft bristle brush is because this is a more delicate material. I believe it's neoprene is what Daniel said, right, Daniel? So it's neoprene. This soft bristle brush is gonna be perfect for cleaning those delicate materials. Another tip, guys, anytime you're cleaning a shoe this dirty, you always want to make sure you get the insides. Even though we're going to be using the laundry system, go ahead and just tilt the shoe over is what I like to do, and just go ahead and clean the inside. So anytime you are cleaning the inside, guys, if it is getting kind of tricky like it is for me to get a full cleaning, go ahead and just pull that shoe tree out, and it'll allow you to get deeper, better cleaning. All right, guys, I think I am done hitting up the uppers. Go ahead and check it out. Now I'm gonna move on to cleaning the midsoles using that medium or all-purpose brush. right, guys, go ahead and check out that midsole. It's looking really, really clean now. That medium bristle brush did its thing. I didn't have to apply too much pressure. As you can see, that midsole is looking nice and white again. Now the final step, guys, in cleaning this shoe is gonna be the outsole. It is really dirty, so I am gonna be using our stiff bristle brush to get the job done. Let's do it. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the outsole. As you can see, I got majority of the dirt out. There are still some of these stains from the wear. I'm not sure if that's gonna come out with the laundry system, to be honest with you, because this is a white outsole. Anytime you wear it on the cement floor, it's just gonna get dirty. So we'll see how good it cleans up in the wash. But the next step, grab the laces. Can't forget those. All right, I think those are all good. Now to grab our sneaker laundry bag. Put the shoes in the bag. Grab the laces, just throw them up in there. You're gonna wanna seal the bag, lock it. If you wanna tie it, you can. All right, let's go put these in the wash. Victor. We gotta put the shoes in the wash. Victor. Vic.
You got any sneaker wipes?
Yo, Victor, I got a pack of sneaker wipes in the back.
Slide them under. Ooh-wee. That sandwich did not go down well.
Oh, dude.
Enjoy.
Wow. All right. Scoop in there. Let's go up in there. All right, guys, so now it's time to throw these in the wash. I'm gonna make it quick because Vic blew the spot up, man. Hey, someone left laces in here from another cleaning. Put those over there. All right, you wanna go ahead and turn on your washer, guys. Grab your sneaker laundry detergent, loosen the cap, squeeze it till it fills up into about an ounce. Nice little bottle here, gives you that. Go ahead and just pour it directly on the shoe. Oh man, it smells so bad in here, guys. You don't even know, I'm not even kidding you. Vic blew this up. This is not staged. Go ahead and close that, guys. You wanna hit wash. All right, well, the washer was disconnected. So let's go ahead and turn that washer back on. Now you wanna do a wash. I'm gonna hit it with a small cycle, cold water. It's about 42 minutes. Hit start. And we'll be back when it's done. Let's go, Lee. Let's get out of here. All right, guys, we are back after letting these dry overnight in front of a fan. As you've seen in the beginning of this video, it was starting to rain outside, so I couldn't leave these out to dry, but no worries. Leaving these in front of a fan for 24 hours got them nice and super dry. But go ahead and check these out, guys. As you can see, they went from super, super dusty to now looking super crispy. Boom, these are looking super, super nice. What I'm gonna hope is Steve lets me have these because they are my size 11. You know I fit between the size 11 to 12, so hopefully I can get these off of him for that price of $3.99. Clean the other pair up and we're golden. But guys, this was all done using our advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent. It is available at reshoevn8er.com. Let me know, what did you think about this cleaning? Have you ever had a pair of kicks that were this beat or this dusty? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. I'm Johnny. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you know every single time we post a video. I'm out of here. I'll see you on the next one.